In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website. Whether you're offering downloadable content, showcasing informative documents, or providing detailed guides, embedding a PDF is a great way to enhance your site's functionality. So, let's get started and walk through this process together. First things first, head over to Wix's website. If you have it bookmarked in your browser, simply click on that link. Or you can type wix.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll need to either create an account if you're a new user or log into your existing account if you're already part of the Wix community. This is an essential step because without being logged in, you won't be able to access the site builder tools on Wix. Once you're on your dashboard, the next thing you'll need to do is open your existing project. If you don't have one yet, no worries. You can create a new project easily. Just follow the prompts to begin setting up a new site. This is your current workspace, and it's where you'll be making all your edits and additions. Now, keep an eye on the left sidebar of your screen. You'll find an option labeled Media. Go ahead and click on that. This section is like your digital media library, where you can store and manage all sorts of files, images, and documents that you want to include on your site. In the Media section, look for the Upload Media button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select a file from your computer. This is where you choose the PDF you want to add to your website. Browse your files, select the PDF you wish to upload, and then click Open. Wix will begin uploading your document to the Media library. Once your PDF is uploaded, the next step is to actually place it on your site. You do this by selecting the newly uploaded PDF and looking for an option that says Add to Page. Click on this and your PDF will be placed onto the page you are working on. Make sure to save your work as you go along to ensure you don't lose any changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a PDF to your Wix website. Using this simple process, you can enhance your site's functionality for your visitors. Thanks for watching. And feel free to explore other Wix features to expand your site even further. See you in the next video.